The following video is a HAAS VF2 SS Super Speed. The unit is new 2000, it's 12 of 2008. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, now we're going to start off with our axis. We'll start with X. We're going to move it back and forth. All right, we'll do our Y. Now we'll do our Z. I guess we can start doing the tool change next. We'll go ahead and run it again. Now we'll go ahead and do the tool change or the spindle test. You can't hear it, but that's 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. And that's 6,000 RPM. And 8,000 RPM. Ten 10,000 RPM. And that's 12,000 RPM, the maximum RPM for this machine.
Again, the following video is a HAAS Super VF2. The unit is new 12 of 2008.